Ahusit alphabet letter names. Ahusit short a, long a. Ahusit plain seats, glottal seats. Ahusit wedge seat, glottal wedge seat. Ahusit plain h, back h. Ahusit short I, long I, e. Ahusit plain k, glottal k. Ahusit rounded k, glottal rounded k. Ahusit barred l, barred lambda, glottal barred lambda. Ahusit plain m, glottal m, ma. Ahusit plain n, glottal n, na. Ahusit plain p, glottal p, Ahusit plain q, rounded q, Ahusit plain s, wedged s, sh. Ahusit plain t, glottal t, Ahusit short u, long u. Ahusit plain w, glottal w. Ahusit plain x, back x, Ahusit rounded x, rounded back x, Ahusit plain y, glottal y. Ahusit pharyngeal a, glottal stop a. Ahusit a, t, ch, h, I, k, qu, hl, kl, ma, na, p, q, sh, t, w, w, h, y, a.